AMC stock has been trading relatively sideways recently between the $30 and $40 range. AMC is toggling back and forth between bullish and bearish territory, and again, sources like the Motley Fool and other hedge fund partners are trying to keep the public from investing in this stock and steering them away. So what is going to happen next for AMC? Will it squeeze again, or will it die out? If it does squeeze, how high can it squeeze? In this video, I'll be talking about the AMC short interest rates continuously going up, the broad market and how it impacts AMC, and some other major indicators for AMC. I haven't seen many people make these videos covering this on YouTube yet, so make sure to stick around for the whole video. Let's do it. So yesterday, August 18th, AMC had a little red day with around a 3% loss, closing at around $36.50. Also, the share volume on AMC has been pretty stagnant recently, but remains pretty high. This is most likely because new retail investors are getting in on this stock as it dips in the expectation of another squeeze to happen. It seems like AMC has found a new support level around $30 though, and we have seen AMC slowly bleed out from its price from when it ran up to $70, but it hasn't really dipped below $30 since then. It seems that the $30 mark is a recurring support for AMC. The craziest part of this is that the short interest remains high in AMC, which means that shorts haven't even closed any major positions yet. This effectively indicates that the AMC squeeze might not have even begun yet. On the Ortex update, the utilization is sitting around 92 right now. Along with the high utilization rate, we also have not seen the short interest be this high since about March. Now, along with this, institutions are buying massive amounts of AMC at this time, with about $2.14 billion of AMC being bought by institutions. This is lining up to be a crazy outcome in my opinion. With the short interest still being high and institutions also buying tons of shares, this seems like there's a ton of pressure on AMC stock to eventually squeeze again. The even crazier part is that only $114 million of AMC has been sold, while $214 billion has been bought. That's 114 million with an M being sold and 214 billion with a B being bought. That is insane. It's pretty rare for any stock to run from $10 to $70 without institutions taking profits, but it seems like they aren't in this case. What this is showing to me is that these institutions have done their research and are in it alongside retail investors. It doesn't mean that they are on the retail investors' side, but it does mean that they are looking for the same outcome as the retail investors are. Also, some bullish news for AMC is that it has raised more than $2.2 billion in cash. 90% of AMC theaters in the United States are now opening, with New York and Los Angeles finally reopening. Vaccinations and policies are making movie theaters safe. New movie titles are guaranteed to increase sales revenues, and the CEO and president, Adam Aron, expresses an optimistic future for AMC Entertainment. So that's it for this video. Comment what stock you want me to cover next. Peace.